Hello, good morning children. All are fine? Yes. Okay children, today we are going to do with month book number 5, day 19, 1919. Okay. So look here. Look at the picture and write the word. यहाँ पे भी आपको picture देखनी है और उसके spellings लिखने हैं words. So I will do it on the blackboard for you children. Which picture is this? Zip. So write the spelling of zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Now what is this? Tub. आप नहाते हैं ना tub में. So this is tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Next picture. What is this? Children, what is this? Yak. Y-A-K, yak. What it is? Yak. Y-A-K, yak. Now the next one. Road. R-O-A-D, road. R-O-A-D, road. R-O-A-D, road. Next one. X-ray. 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 R-A-Y. X-ray. Okay. Now the next one. Van. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. Next one. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. What it is? Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Now the next one. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. The next picture. Umbrella. What is the spelling of umbrella? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Now the next one. Queen. Which picture is it? Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Now the next picture. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Which picture it is? Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Now the next one. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. So children, you have to look at the picture and you have to write the words. So I have done it on the blackboard. You can see the spellings on the blackboard. Now again here is a worksheet. You have to match the pictures with the letter. आपको letters read करने और pictures के साथ match करने हैं. H-A-T, hat. See, here is the hat. You have to match it here. Fan. F-A-N, fan. The picture of a fan is here. So you have to match it to the fan. Ant. Where is ant? See here. A-N-T, ant. So you have to match it here. Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. Zip. Z-I-P, zip. Gun. Where is gun? Here. So match it with the gun. G-U-N, gun. Tag. See here, it is a tag. T-A-G, tag. Cot. Where is cot? C-O-T, cot. Okay. Where is hat? H-U-T, hat. And net, N-E-T, net. So children, you have to match the picture with the letters. Okay children? Yes. Now here is a story that we will do it online on the online classes. Now here, craft of the month. So here you have to do a craft or you can draw the same here and you have to color it according to this. Okay, so you have to complete it at home. On Saturday, Sunday you have a holiday. So you have to draw it. You have to draw the green with a green paper. If you have a paper, craft paper, so you can make this. or not, you can draw it and color it like that only, or mermaid. So and then you can show it to me. Okay, this you have to complete on Saturday and Sunday when you have holiday. So now I have completed with day 90. Now we will do with day 20. Okay, so we are going to do with day 20. So new number notation we are going to learn today, children. So which number is this? Can anyone tell me? Yes, 4949. Which number? 4949. And the spelling of 49 is F-O-R-T-Y, 49, N-I-N-E, 49. So look here, number notation, 4949 dash F-O-R-T-Y, 49, N-I-N-E, 9, 49. What is the spelling of 49? 4949 dash F-O-R-T-Y, 49, N-I-N-E, 9. So children, you have to complete it at home as a homework. And here the other number notification is there, notation is there. Which number is this? 5050. Which number? 5050. 5050 dash F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 5050 dash F-I-F-T-Y, 50. So we have completed number notations till 50. So you have to learn the spellings of number notations properly. Okay, children? And you have to complete it. Now let's go to the next page. Here is an activity. Fill in the missing vowels. हमने vowels learn किए ना, A, E, I, O, U. So you have to fill in the vowels. Shark, S, H, यहाँ पे A लिखना है, A, R, K, shark. S, H, A, R, K, shark. Crab, C, R, A, B, crab. C, R, A, B, crab. Jellyfish, J, E, L, L, Y, jellyfish. F-I-S-H, fish. तो यहाँ पे आपको E लिखना है and I. तो A, E, I, O, U के words पता है ना, sounding words. So that you have to write it. Dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Whale, W-H-A-L-E, whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Starfish, S-T-A-R, starfish, F-I-S-H, fish, starfish. Now here octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. And lobster, L-O-B-S-T-E-R, lobster. So you have to write here vowels, A-E-I-O-U के words लिखने हैं. Now here, turn to the next page. See here, parts of the fish. See here, fish is drawn, तो आपको parts of the fish लिखना है. Here, scale, S-C-A-L-E-S, scale, S-C-A-L-E-S, scale. Now this is a mouth, so the spelling of mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Here, fin, F-I-N, fin, F-I-N, fin. And tail, T-A-I-L, tail, T-A-I-L, tail. So like that you have to, here the names are given, you have to see the names and you have to complete this. Okay, now let's turn to the next page. Here, name the pictures. What do you have to do? You have to name the pictures. Okay, name the pictures. You have to name it. Name the pictures. See, first picture is what? Pan. So you have to write the spelling of pan. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Now the next one, bed. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Third one, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. The next picture, man. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Which picture is this? Pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Now the next one, bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Okay? B-I-N, bin. The next one, tin. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. The next picture is red. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Now the next one, pig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Okay? So now let's go to see the next picture. Pot. P-O-T, pot. Pot. P-O-T, pot. Now cut. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. Next one, ox. O-X, ox. O-X, ox. Now the next one, box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. Now the next one, jar. J-A-R, jar. J-A-R, jar. And the last one is bug. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. So children, we have completed with day 20. And now we will start with a new book. Month book number 6. Okay children? Now, okay, bye bye. See you. Meet you tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you children.